Hi there, students. A hunk, a countable noun, and you've also got an adjective, hunky. Okay, so a hunk, we use this in two completely different ways. A hunk is a large piece of something, especially food. A hunk of meat, a hunk of bread, a hunk of cheese. You also got the word a chunk as well. Okay, so a hunk is a large piece of something. And then we can also use a hunk to talk about a person. A hunk is a very attractive man. Yeah? So, well, nowadays there is no way that I'm a hunk. And then you have the adjective hunky. Yeah? This guy is really hunky, masculine beauty. Yeah? Exhibiting strong masculine beauty. Okay? A hunk. Yeah? This guy is a hunk. Yeah? He's very hunky. Okay, so a hunk of cheese, a large piece, a hunk of meat. Yeah? Or a hunk, a tall, strong, attractive man. Okay, notice this is very, very positive. You call somebody a hunk, you're being very nice about them. So normally though, with a piece, a hunk, it's quite big and it's quite thick. It's got a good volume to it. Yeah, please would you tear me a hunk of bread? Okay, so this hunk, yeah, a large piece of something. Very often it's been cut off or broken off something even bigger, like a slab or a wedge or a lump or a block or a chunk. Yeah, and then he's a hunk. Yeah, this is much more informal. Yeah, he's a muscle man. Yeah, he's very macho. Yeah, he's a strong man. Okay, so a hunk. Okay, so yeah, he's really hunky, attractive and well built. Yeah, the hero in most of these action films is normally pretty hunky. Notice one thing to be careful with this word hunky. You can also use a hunky in American English, and this is an insulting word, a derogatory word for people from Eastern Europe, of Eastern European descent. But this is only in America. In Britain they wouldn't know what you meant by hunky, so be careful of a hunky. But if you're using it as an adjective, he's a hunk of a man. Yeah, this guy is really hunky. Yeah, you're being very positive about him. He's a stud. He's a tough guy. Yeah, he's very attractive. Yeah, he's in his early 20s and really hunky. Yeah, really big and strong. Okay, so I guess that the idea is a hunk of bread is a big, thick, strong piece. So big, thick, strong man, I guess is the idea as well. And then you probably know the phrase hunky-dory. I'll put a link to it. If everything is hunky-dory, everything's okay. I'm not quite sure how that's linked to a hunk, but I guess you could, everything's hunky. Yeah, I think you could probably say that everything's going okay. Yeah, everything's working as it should be. Okay, so a hunk, a chunk, a large piece, yeah, of something. Or, yes, well, I'm such a hunk. Okay, so let's see, formality. A hunk of bread, 5 in formality, use anywhere. He's a hunk, 3 in formality, use informally only. He's very hunky, 3 in formality. You use it only informally. Okay. Okay. So a hunk. Let's see. What about some origin? I think this word probably comes from Dutch or from Low German. Yeah, there was a West Flemish word, hunky, meaning a hunk or a chunk. Yeah, we've got the Dutch word homp, meaning a hunk. Yeah, or maybe a hump. Yeah, a lump. Yeah, so a hunk, big strong man. Okay, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hunk hunky.